Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Granbo. Today I will introduce the T-series from our ultrasonic cleaners to you. For this type, except the Degas function and the digital display, the most important is that the power are adjustable. You can adjust the power by turning this knob, and at the control panel there is no Degas switch. You should press the ultrasonic switch for 3 times to enable the Degas function. And for the power adjustable function, it makes the clean a wider range of application and fit more kinds of items. If you want to clean the fragile items, you can turn down the power to protect your fragile items. And we suggest that match the cleaning solution to use together, just like the washing machine. A proper cleaning solution is important for us to get a good cleaning efficient. And we offer a variety of capacities from 1 to 30 liters. You can choose whichever you need. And when the capacity above 6 liters, it will provide the drain valve and the drain pipe for convenience, and a cooling fan at the bottom to extend the service life. And look at the appearance. Both sides has the handle for easy to remove, and the foot are the rubber foot to protect the machine and lower down the noise while moving. Also, our power cable adopts the industrial level standard, and the material was heat and safety resistant. Our basket and the tank all use the SUS 304 stainless steel. It's food grade, as we all know. And by the way, our inner tank was thickened and open mode stamping, no welding, you can see. So when you use it, it's very easy to clean itself. At last, the maintenance. When you receive our products, the maintenance also important. First, keep the machine clean and cut off the power when you don't use it. Second, keep away from the heat source and avoid to storing in a humid environment. At last, do dust and moisture protection. And this is all the tips of our T-series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us anytime. Thank you.